Hey guys, welcome back to the Asian session. Tonight is February 27th on a Wednesday, so I'm just going to recap what happened in the Asian session. I had no trades tonight. I basically put in a sell limit order and a buy limit order around the 7 o'clock mark. I put my buy limit order at 1.9386, so that's about here underneath this local high volume node, and I put my buy order at 1.95353, so about there, above this high volume node. But again, these past few days, the pound Aussie and the pound New Zealand, they've been trading very at times in a very tight range. So tonight was one of those nights, and I couldn't get any entries, but that's okay. So we'll look for another trade in the next session. So trade well. I'll see you guys next time. All right, have a good day. Bye.